guys, welcome back to my home/revival kitchen. I want to share something very special with you today. It's a berry season here in California. All the berries just bursting in flavor and color, and my husband's absolute favorite is berry crisp with a scoop or two of ice cream. So just like at Revival, we make everything 100% handcrafted, only using fresh and organic ingredients. So I'm gonna be using freshly grown mix of berries. For the crisp, it's very simple. We have rolled oats, organic coconut sugar, a little bit of salt. I like to use high quality Himalayan salt or sea salt. And I also like to put a little bit of crushed walnuts, or you can use whatever nuts you love or you have available at home. A little bit of cinnamon and half a stick of butter. And the recipe you're gonna be able to find on our website, on the blog. And half a cup of oat flour. There is Summer. You just saw her for a short moment. So, and you can just mix this with your hand. When I'm baking, I like to mix things with my hands whenever possible. Summer's making a lot of comments in the background, as you can hear, maybe. So here's our crisp. It's all ready to go when the berries are ready. So the next step is to cook down the berries a little bit with a tablespoon of ground chia seeds. You can use probably flax seeds as well. I like to use chia seeds for this one. Actually, I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons because I used a lot of berries. It depends on how many berries you use, obviously. So after the berries are cooked down a little bit, you just transfer them into your ceramic bowl. And then you're gonna have your oven preheated already on 375. It's gonna be delicious. Handcrafted, organic, fresh, good, yummy ingredients. Excited!